Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Realme 6 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset with data loss on our phone Realme 6. First of all, power off your phone. Just long press this power button and wait few seconds and swipe like this. Yes, your phone will be switched off. Just wait few seconds. Now you have to use power button and volume down button together. Power button is on right side, volume down button is on left side. Just press these two buttons together until our reset menu has come. Just press these two buttons and hold them for a few minutes. Yes, menu has come. Here select English. Now click on wipe data third option and draw the pattern for authentication. Here select second option format data, click on format, wait few seconds. Click OK. And automatically your phone will be restarted. You have to wait from few seconds to few minutes. Now you have to select the language. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Turn off use mobile data option. Click on next. Skip this step, click on next, click on accept, click on later, click on next, click on later, click on skip. Click on use Realme UI. Yes. Setup is completed, and if you want to set up lock screen password, fingerprint or face unlock, you can do them here and you can use your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.